model, 57-plate BMW X5 3.0 diesel. Body, blue, MPV. Mileage, 184125. Engine, 2993 CCM 57D30 TU2 173 of a kilowatt. Transmission, 4-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect. Rear diff needs repairing or replacing. Straightforward bolt-on repair if you know what you're doing. This won't be here long, get in quick. Open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Features, electric windows, cruise control, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.